Smartphone control, 72.5 feet LED outdoor string light, 22 bulbs. Going to do a lot of different things. We're going to show you the install, what it looks like at night, and how to get it up. This is linkable to 140 plus feet. Got a lot of bulbs. Got a couple of spare bulbs inside, an instruction guide, and everything you need to set up. Take off all the covers. They're rubber band protected. These are unbreakable bulbs, and they got 2 COB LED lights. Carefully unwrap everything the best you can. Decorate your backyard any way you like. I'm going to just simply go to a tree now. Swing it on back because I got a lot of cable. I'm going to attach it to the birdhouse. And if I wanted to, I could continue on with an additional string. I have a spare bulb. I want to check my bulbs. I'm going to hook up the application later. You get a plastic cap, take it off. I'm going to go camping or picnicking outside in the park, and I want to bring some power with me to light my bulbs up. I can do so. I'm going to turn the button on. You can see the lights going through a sequence. Long pressing it. Grab the instruction manual and simply download your application. Once you're in range and you follow all the information and you add a device, you're going to have to come to your device down over here and you're going to have to pair it. Just long press the button. S14 string light warm. Hit the plus. Done. Loading up. Wants to use the Bluetooth. And let's look at the lights. My lights are on. I could dim him. I could raise him. Turn him off. Turn him on. Go for a scene. I know it's quite difficult for you to see everything outside, but this is the app. You have a timer. You can set it for so many things. You have here is more that you can schedule, power on, behavior, to restore, initiate, mode, customize. And you have here is white, scenic, and then you back out. And this is where you would do on and off brightness and a timer and the controls and everything. And there you go. These 72-foot LED string lights have a 10-foot extension cord over the others that are very close to the unit. And there are a little bit the bulbs. And they are lit up. We're going to turn the app on. And we are well lit up, and there is the app. And we could come here and just dim it on down to the lowest. Raise it on to the brightest from 1% to 100%. As we change the scenes, this is known as nighttime. Read mode, that which is really light. Work mode. Lighting. And we could add a mode. In add a mode, we could do a color flash speed. We could have it static, flash, breathing. I like breathing. And go to a certain speed. And the scene color. And add the colors in as we go along if we had RGB light. And then submit. And we need to put a name in it, so we put a name like www. And submit. So we hit www, and it should do a breathing. If we need to edit it, make sure we're on the one. Just hit the edit button and you can start to edit it and do different things. If you need to change out a bulb, just grab the bulb, go get the other one, place the next bulb in, and off you go. Also remember, this is voice activated with your Google Alexa. Hook it on up and you can control it via voice as well. I hope you enjoy your string lights wherever you put them. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.